Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it's a sunny day out there. Looking outside through my window. I'm super excited about the weather today because I've been chilling. I've been able to expose my body, which I've not done in a while. So if you are new to this YouTube channel is all about digital marketing. It's all about helping digital entrepreneurs to get the best out of their business. If you are planning to learn how to get better in your digital skills, this is the best channel for you. This is the best channel for you. I will recommend you should subscribe if you are here to subscribe if you stumble on this video. So basically today I'm sharing something interesting because this is an issue that people have been facing. This is an issue that people have been facing, and a lot of people are finding it difficult to solve the problem. So that's why I'm creating this video. Today, this video is centered on Google Analytics not installed properly, how to debug the error. You know, there are some times that you install Google Analytics on your website and it is not firing. It is not firing. But this might be attributed to so many things. But today, I'm going to show you a few things that can help you solve that problem. If you are facing that issue, I'm going to show you that. So one thing I want you to have at the back of your mind is that you continue learning. There are sometimes that you implement some things as a digital marketing person, as a tech person, you implement some things, and at the end, you won't just get it right. It might be a little mistake or something that will lead to that. So I want you to be rest assured that in one way or the other, there is a solution out there. Just check the right channels and read documentation. You'll be able to solve it. But based on my experience, I'm bringing my experience on board to you today. These are the most common ways that you will be facing this issue, that you install Google Analytics on your website and it is not working. So the first one is, if you install Google Analytics, this is the way it will look like. If you are using, let's say you are using the Google Tag Assistant Chrome extension, you will see something like this. You'll see something like this on your website. So I will show you. You'll see something like this on your website. If you use the Google Tag Assistant Chrome extension to check if it is installed properly. If it is installed properly, you will see the Google Tag Assistant Chrome extension will give you the number of Google tags that you have on your website, and you have something like this. This is showing that on this particular website there is a Google tag, there is a Google Universal Analytics Google code on this website, and this is also for Google Tag Manager. This is why you have this tool to debug it. So after you've installed your Google Analytics and you notice it is not working, one of the easiest way for you to debug it, or you want to know if it is working, one of the easiest way for you to debug it is to use the Google Tag Assistant Chrome extension. And if it is working, this is what you will see. This is, can you see, result of tag analysis. This shows that on this particular website, there's a Universal Analytics code on it. So the first step, in the case whereby you install Google Analytics on your website and it is not working, the first step you need to look at is Google Analytics snippet is not added to the website. It might not be, the first one is that it might not be added to your website. You might think you've done it and it is not added to your website. There are various ways to verify Google Analytics snippet implementation. To name a few, use the Google Tag Chrome extension, which checks for Google Pixel on the page, e.g. Google Analytics, Google Ads, Google Tag Manager, and provide real-time feedback. The Google Tag Assistant snippets, let me show you. I have it already. This is it on my own Chrome. Can you see Google Tag Assistant Chrome extension? So just if you need this, if you don't have this Google Tag Assistant on your Chrome, can you see, just go to this Google Tag Assistant Legacy, go to this place and just click on it. Just click on it and download it. Just click on this. Just click on this and download it. Can you, if it is not on your website already, you see. Can you see? For me, I have it on my website, on your website already, to tell you to add it. So that's what you need to do. That's what you need to do. This tool will help you confirm if Google Analytics is installed on your website. And if it is not installed and you have installed it, you will know, it will tell you that it is not on your website. So you will know the next thing to do, that it is not on my website. So let me show you where Google, how the website and for like few seconds, like 30 seconds. When you leave it like 30 seconds, it's on my website. So then refresh the page. Refresh the page. Refresh the page. Can you see two tags and click on it? It's a global site like National Analytics. Google has remarketing tag. There's Google Tag Manager. This is how you'll be able to find this website. But this is my website. So just like before, those are the case this picture. If it is website, this is how we will see it. Yeah, the two way to see it. And if it is not there on the website, it's nothing on your website. So let me show you a website that I think I am sure that there is no Google Analytics. I think I'm sure that I don't have Google Analytics on it. So I want to show you. I want to show you that. So do the same thing I did earlier. You click on enable, then click on record. When you start recording, you check what I did. Enable, then click on record. Record. So let me scroll down a bit. 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 Then let me refresh the page. Let me refresh the page. So if there's any Google Tag Assistant on this website, it will show us. Can you see? Can you see what I'm talking about? That result of tag analysis shows that no tag found on this website. There's no Google Tag Manager. There's no Google Analytics on this website. So imagine, for my case, on this website, I have not installed Google Analytics. In your case, if you have installed Google Analytics and it is not working, and you are using this Google Tag Assistant Chrome extension to check and debug it, if it is showing you that the result of tag analysis is no tag found and you are not seeing Google Analytics on it, that shows your implementation is not correct. There's something wrong somewhere. So there's something wrong somewhere. So that's one of the way you can debug and know if the Google Tag Assistant on the website is not working. Another way that you can use to know is to check the source code of your website. I guess it's Command D plus Option for Mac in your browser. So if it is this case, you press Control U for a Windows system. So let's press Control U. So this is how you check the source code. The instruction that will be given to you when you are adding a Google Analytics code on your website directly is that, there are different ways for you to add Google Analytics code on your website. You can add it directly by sending the instruction, just like this Google Tag Manager instruction. Most of the time, they will tell you to paste the code as high as the head of the page as possible. And this second code, you paste it at the body. So that's the way Google Analytics simplest code too is. So imagine the one of the way that the way you chose to implement Google Analytics on your website is to put it to this, is to send it to a web developer, and the web developer put it on your website direct. You didn't use Google Tag Manager to implement Google Analytics on your website. So if that's your case, come to your website and press Control U. If you are using an Apple laptop, press Command D. Yeah, if I'm right, Command D. Yeah, for for Apple laptop, then it will bring you to the source code of your website. So from your source code, just make sure you locate, can you see? Just make sure you locate something like, this is the open of your head section, and before the closing of your head section, before the closing of your head section, this is the closing of your head section. Can you see that I have different things on my website? I have a lot of code on this website. So between the open of this website and the close of this website, you will find your Google Analytics snippet code. If it is not there, you will see that all I'm seeing is Google Tag Manager. Can you see? It is what I'm saying, Google Tag Manager. I'm not seeing Google Analytics. So that's how you will know that Google Analytics that you installed or you sent to a developer is not implemented well and it is not on your website. So that is how you will know if you follow the route of sending the snippet code to a web developer and you ask the developer to push it live to the source code of the website. If you can't find it between the opening of the head section and the close of the head section, definitely there's something wrong with the implementation that the web developer did. So, but in the case, another case that we have, in the case of we using wrong, another case that you can have is wrong or incorrect container ID added to the website. So this is for the sake of people, this example is for the sake of people that this is for the sake of people that install Google Analytics on their website. This is the case of people that install Google Analytics on their website and using Google Tag Manager. And after doing that, it is not working properly. So one of the problems that can cause this is that maybe one, you didn't push the tags that you set up on Google Tag Manager. Let's go to Google Tag Manager. Maybe you didn't push it live. Yeah. Maybe you didn't submit it and publish it. If you don't push it, if you don't publish it and submit it, it won't be live on your website. So this is a Google Analytics code on my website that I use Google Tag Manager to set up. So can you see? So I made mention of something. I said measurement ID. So can you say wrong or incorrect container ID added to the website? Let's change this container ID to measurement ID. It is actually measurement ID. So this is for the sake of people that use Google Tag Manager to implement Google Analytics on their website. So you must make sure and you check the measurement ID of your Google Analytics form. Go to your Google Analytics account. So if you are looking for a video, Google Analytics. If you are looking for a video on how to install Google Analytics on your website using Google Tag Manager, I created a video there. So I will encourage you to, I created a video on my channel on that. I will encourage you to check it out. Do check it out. So if that's a question you are about to raise. So all you need to do, I want to show you how you can get your measurement ID. This measurement ID is important. So if you install Google Analytics to your website, to Google Tag Manager, and it is not working. So the first thing first, you need to be able to debug. You need to be able to confirm, is the measurement ID. You need to be sure if the measurement ID that is here is the same thing with the measurement ID on your Google Analytics account. You need to confirm that. So let's come to this space. Let's come to this space. Come to the next, you just, when you log into your Google Analytics account, come to admin. This admin here, can you see this button? Come to admin. Then when you come to admin, come to data streams. Come to data stream. And this is the website. Can you see? This is the website that we're working on. Then you check the measurement ID. This is the, can you see, measurement ID? Check this measurement ID with the measurement ID on your container. This ended with 3EC. Let's check 3EC. That's how you'll be able to debug if what. So if you are able to confirm that, oh, this measurement ID is the same thing with the measurement ID on my container, all you need to do is to just make sure that you put the analytics line. So those are the ways you can also use. And also measurement ID can be invented on your web. Check it. Also remember that you should not modify this. So the source code and the actual on your website. Essential that I can teach you that you can also get is the Google Analytics debugger. This Chrome extension is also very, very helpful. It's also very, very helpful for you to debug if your Google Analytics implementation is working very, very well. So I believe you've been able to gain something today in this video that I created. So in what I've been sharing, what I've been talking about since the beginning of this video. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I will encourage you to do that. I will encourage you to do that. Share with your friend, like this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.